Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm here to talk to you about the new Cricut Easy Press totes. Yes, Cricut has come up with a way for us to take our Cricut Easy Presses on the go in these wonderful tote bags that will allow you to make sure that your investment is protected in your Cricut Easy Press and give you a way to take them with you when your creativity strikes and you need to leave the house with your Easy Press, and also a way for you to store them. So even if you don't travel with your Easy Press, sometimes you don't have a craft room like I do where you would have them out all the time and you may need to secure them in a closet or somewhere else. And this is a great way to do that. Now you'll notice that there are 3 sizes. So there is the small tote bag, which is for the 6x7 Easy Press. I'll show you. Ta-da! And then there is a medium tote bag, and this is for the 9x9 Easy Press 2. And then there is the large tote bag, and the large tote bag is for the Cricut Easy Press 2, the 12x10 size. Okay, now I know you're going to ask me this. So some of you already have the old or the original Easy Press 2, which is the one that had the blue color here instead of this raspberry color. It has the blue. You would not want to purchase the medium bag because your original Easy Press will not fit in those because of the base is different on that than the new Easy Press 2. But Cricut made sure that in the large Easy Press tote, you would be able to store and carry your Easy Press original. Okay, so we've got you covered there. Let's talk about the bag. So each bag, let me show you this, each bag has a pocket in the back that allows you to store the Easy Press mat there, which is really nice. And it has a nice sturdy handle. It also has a pocket, a zippered pocket on the front of each of these for you to be able to store tools in, or whatever you need to take with you with your Easy Press. And it has nice closures on it, zippered closures. It's very well made. It has a carry handle on the top, which actually has a leather strap on it that says Cricut. And then it also has a shoulder strap. And these are completely, totally adjustable. So depending upon how you want to carry it, you can adjust that. But let's take a closer look at the bag. This is the mediums, and I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see. So it is made out of a heat-resistant material similar to the Cricut Easy Press pads, so that once you're able to get ready to put away your Easy Press 2, it's only going to take you 5 minutes of it cooling down before you're going to be able to put it in here. Each one comes with a strap, a nice Velcro strap here in the middle that's going to secure it, and I'll show you how that works here in a second. And there again, it has a pocket, a zippered pocket on the front of it here, so that you're able to store, tools that you want to take with you for weeding and so forth. And it has a pouch on the back for you to put the medium size or the original 12x12 Easy Press mat in. Okay, so this is the medium tote. Now let's look at the large tote. Okay, so the large tote, same great features of the first 2 bags, but it has a couple of other features because the 12x10 Easy Press is rather heavy. The 6x7 and the 9x9, of course, you could probably pick this up by the handle. You wouldn't necessarily need to use the shoulder strap all the time, but with the 12x10, it is very heavy, and if you're going to travel with that, you're going to want a better shoulder strap. So Cricut has provided this really nice padded, it's Velcro padded shoulder strap that helps give you a little bit extra cushion here when you want to take this on the go. The other thing is, because this is for the 12x10, you would want to have the largest Easy Press mat, okay, this big one. Now, you could fold this in half and stick it in the pocket here in the back, just like we did the other Easy Press pads. But the thing that you're not going to want this sticking up, because you may be carrying this on your shoulder, right? And this is going to be in your way. Cricut brilliantly fixed that for us the large tote bag has, there's snaps on the side of the little pocket, and it also has a zipper that unzips this so it expands out. And you can take that Easy Press mat, fold it in half. It doesn't hurt the mat. They're designed to do that. And then you would just put it inside that pocket, just like that. And then it would be low profile, and it would not be any too much of a challenge for you to be able to carry this using the shoulder strap now. Okay, so the Easy Press totes come in those 3 sizes. Now let's take a look at what Cricut would recommend you do. So you have had your Easy Press. I've got my 9x9 here, and you've been using it, and you need to get ready to leave. Maybe you're taking it somewhere, or you're coming back from somewhere. So what you would do is you would take your Easy Press mat that would go there, and you would take your Easy Press that's hot. I just unplugged this, right? You would put it on your Easy Press mat or on a towel or something, and then you would open up your case. You would insert your base. This is the base for the Easy Press, and it just fits in here very snugly, okay? So it's going to go right in here, and the straps will be right here. You're only going to need to cool down your Easy Press for 5 minutes, okay? So maybe as you're gathering up your other things or whatever, you've unplugged your Easy Press, you've turned it off, and you're just letting it cool down for 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you're going to be able to then take your Easy Press and put it into the base, just like that. And you'll take these straps and put it right here across where the handle is, and secure this in here so it's not going to be moving around on you. It's snugly fit in the base, perfect. And then for the cord, you're just going to take the cord and wrap it around the machine itself, because of course the heat part of it is protected in the bag, and with the heat resistant material of the bag, you're safe. And we're just going to wind this up, and all I'm doing is wrapping it around the edge here of the machine. Just like this. So once I've got it inside here, all I need to do is zip it up, flip this over, put my Easy Press mat in so I don't leave it behind, and now I am ready to go with my Cricut Easy Press 2 machine, okay? And that's how simple and easy this is. These are great bags, high quality. They're very well made. The stitching is great on these. They're really gonna last. It's also made out of a material that, you know, when we travel, sometimes we get things that are, you know, dirty just from setting things on the floor or something. And you're just going to take a damp cloth and wipe these off, and they should clean up really well for you. And I think that you guys are going to enjoy having these. Now, I know you want to know, how much are they? Okay, so the small tote is $49.99. Okay, so the small one's $49.99. The medium is $59.99, and the large tote is $69.99. Okay, these are going to last. You're going to really enjoy having these. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about them. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll have additional tutorials. Sure, and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I put up new videos. And please come join me in my Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group, or in my Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group.